Let me go in. Good morning, good morning. So today is on Friday, and I'm headed out of the house, of course, to town. But tomorrow I have some family members coming to visit me. Well, coming to visit us. Yeah, so I need to go get some things from Marikiti. I wouldn't have gone, honestly, because I haven't been that well. Haven't been feeling great. Kwanza, yesterday I spent the entire day sleeping. Well, not sleeping, but I had a very bad headache. A very bad one. Like, yeah, it was bad, and then it's like homa inataka kukuja and then haitaki kukuja. I don't know what's up. So anyway, yeah, I think I'll probably go. I feel like I need to go to Marikiti, but I also feel like I can order from what is this grocery store called? If I remember the name, I'll put it here. So I do order sometimes from there, and then they deliver, and then I have to pay like 200 bob. But I also feel like they'll be a bit expensive, because yeah, I love saving every coin that I can. Yeah, so I feel like I need to go to Marikiti, but vile mwili inasikia, it's like I don't feel like, but I need to. I don't know if that makes sense, because I'll need to cook for them tomorrow. As I said, they will, I don't even know how many they are. I will confirm in the course of the day. I think it's 2 or 3 or 1, I do not know. But anyway, I'll still need to cook. I don't know if I'll do that with you, but I'll try my best to get a video of me cooking. Yeah, but as I said, today is on Friday, so I wore my favorite color, which is green. And then oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I haven't even been feeling like going anywhere, because the way I'm feeling, the headache, and even if I take Panadol or whatever, hizo dawa za kichwa, it's not going away. So I do not know. I probably need also to hydrate more, or I don't even know. And today, but just me and my bare face and a bit of brows, just filled in, laid the edges, the same old, and then some very little powder, just to look a bit out there. Yeah, but other than that, I don't know. I'll probably end this vlog here, because I feel it's been, has it been long enough? If not, I'll insert more videos if it won't be that long, because I like my videos to be like 17+ minutes, so that you can get a bit more content from my videos. So yeah, I don't even know what I'll wear for my jacket. What goes with this green? Should I wear this green? This is a green, it's more of a poncho. Not sure if I've ever showed you, but it's a poncho. But I'm also going to look a bit too mature, I think, if I wear this one. But I feel it's going to be a bit cold in the evening, because yesterday it rained so much. Yeah, I'll probably carry this and a scarf. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Oh, and then we haven't had power since Juicy. When is Juicy? Since Wednesday night. Kenya Power, I don't know what you're doing to us, but it's terrible. It's terrible. My camera is about to die. I haven't charged the other battery, which is why I'm saying I don't know. Oh, I should carry it to town. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll carry the battery to town. I have my power bank to town. Also carry it to town to go and charge them there just in case. But then the lights, they are so dim because Kenya Power 2 days now, almost 48 hours. So let me catch you guys later. If not, see you in my next video. And thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've enjoyed, and share. Won't hurt. So I'll catch you later in my next video. Bye guys. Cheers. So today, good morning first of all. Today is on Saturday. Yesterday, as I said, I would go to Marikiti and I got some items. I haven't ever bought beetroots before, so I got some beetroots. A kilo was going for how much did I pay? I think I paid 60 bob for half a kg, so this was 30 bob. Yeah, and then I didn't get the cucumbers that I wanted, so I got the normal ones. A kilo was going for 60 bob, so I got 2 kgs because, as I said, I have guests. And then I got some oranges, which are quite a lot. These oranges are a lot. Oh, and I have also never gotten turmeric. This is turmeric. I didn't get a lot of it because a kilo was quite high. I think a kg was going for 300 and something. Anyway, I got a quarter for 70. So that's like, yeah, it was a lot. It was just a lot. This, I believe, isn't everything. Yeah, this isn't everything. But the turmeric is right here. I need to start blending more juices with turmeric in it and beetroot for the kids, mainly because of the kids and the cold they are having. These are ho-hos. A kg was going for, let me put here. These ho-hos, a kg was going for 150 bob. Sorry, so I got the green and the yellow, and they are so huge. They are quite huge. But I am not even surprised for that price, because that's anyway the price they go for close to everywhere. And then I also got the green ones. The green ones I just got a kg, which was going for 60 bob. Yeah, 60 bob, which is right here. Kg inaingia hoho kama 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hohos. 8 or 9. Yes, thought I was recording. So I also got some pineapples yesterday. I didn't mention because I forgot. Yeah, some pineapples to make blended juice, pineapple juice today, using using my red berry juicer. So yeah, that's the reason why I have that. And then finally, my sister went uko downtown to do a bit of her shopping, so I got the haka kadogo because the kids didn't have something to have their tea with. I got this and this, but I got like this because I know I was gonna wash today, so I got that one for washing. But next week I will be going back there to do now the monthly shopping, or more than a month's shopping. Anyway, that's it. And then right now I am just making my breakfast. Nimeunguisha hii, goodness, not so bad though. So I'm making cinnamon, I do not know what you call it, lakini ni the toasted bread. Oh yeah, cinnamon toasted bread. This is my cinnamon. Contains an egg, contains some milk, which is lactose free, and then cinnamon. And then you just dip your bread. I guess this is the final one. And I've just thought last minute of doing this with you. I wouldn't have otherwise. Because I haven't had breakfast and I wanted something with sugar in it and something with cinnamon in it as well. So I thought I would make cinnamon toast. And then some icing sugar. And I didn't want to use butter today, so I just decided to use the normal cooking oil. Yeah, that side is looking good. Gorgeous. And it smells so amazing. Look at that. So good. And also I don't like using this pan to cook any of my breads because it only carries one. I like the other one because it can carry 3 or 4. But also I didn't feel like, no, I would have already finished cooking all this. Okay, that one saves me a lot of time. And I also just want to have my coffee. This week I feel like having coffee. So this is my coffee right there. And this one's look amazing. Yeah, this is done, but I also want to have some bread, some eggs. I haven't had eggs all week, so no, all week. No, I think I've had some eggs, but just once. And I want this one. This one has spices. It has paprika and it's just salt and paprika. I could have as well. I don't like beating my eggs so much because I don't like it getting too fluffy. So this is just it. Just mixing the now what I'll do is give each of my kids bread. So they've already had their breakfast, so I'm gonna give them 2 this, and then I'm going to add some honey for them, and for me I'm gonna add some icing sugar. So this is my breakfast, and then some coffee. And so that's my breakfast. Let me go and have some. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more content from me. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you have enjoyed most in this video, and I will definitely catch you later in my next one. Bye guys, see ya. Cheers. Happy weekend, because it's the weekend.